In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to delete character AI bots you made easily. You can see on the left side, we got a few bots now activated. If you want to delete it, you can see we got a couple of options right in front of that. We can see three dots and we can remove from recents. And now it is basically going to be removed from recents. Let's just try to refresh our page and see. Now you can see it is still there. So basically that's an issue, and that is because right now there is no option to literally delete the bots that we create. Now you can report it or simply do different kind of stuff, but if you simply flag this, you can see if we select any option from here, click on submit, it still is not gonna be deleting. So how you can delete this is the only way. Simply delete your current account if you do not have any other characters. By the way, if you also report it, it is gonna be removed or delete as well. So you can try this out, and if still this doesn't work, so you can simply disable your account. So if you want to learn about that, you can watch one of our previous videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you guys around in the next video.